Oh, it's so moist. Look how it just cuts, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Oh, dripping. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, this is good. What's up, rollers, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Nick. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we're gonna be doing some TikTok inspired cinnamon rolls. Now for this recipe, I got some Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. I also have some heavy cream, cinnamon, vanilla. You can do imitation or you can do the real one. I have some butter, a half stick of butter, and I also have some sugar. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get cooking. All right, y'all, so as always, go ahead and start with some clean hands. For time purposes, I already cleaned my hands, washed my hands. So I'm gonna go ahead, butter my baking dish because I'm gonna go ahead and throw them cinnamon rolls in there. But in the meantime, instead of doing like a half stick of butter, I just did maybe like a quarter. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the microwave for maybe 20 seconds to melt it. And then I also have 2/3 cups of sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That is what we're gonna pour over our cinnamon rolls once we have them in the dish before we throw that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 17 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm actually gonna go ahead and preheat this oven. So when I'm done with this, it can go ahead and be ready to go right in that oven. All right, y'all, so I have my greased baking dish. I have my 1/4 cup of melted butter. And then I also have my 2/3 cup of melted sugar, or really honestly, y'all just mixed it with some water and melted it that way. So now that I have that, let's go ahead and pop these bad boys open. Ooh, yeah. All right. Bam. Ooh. Ooh. All right. So now I got my bad boys open. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in this dish. So we're gonna start with a heavy cream. I don't have an exact measurement. I'm just gonna pour on top of all of these, honestly, y'all. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Cool. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead, pour my brown sugar. Well, I'm gonna pour my butter first. Got my brown sugar. Add my cinnamon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, yes. Add my vanilla. Ooh, just pour. All right. So this is what the product is looking like right now. It may look a little watery or whatever, but once you throw these bad boys in, it's gonna look fine, all right? And it's gonna taste even better. So I have my oven preheating to 400, and like I said, we're gonna put these on for about 15 minutes, or I'm gonna check it around 14, 15 minutes. Come back and I will show you all what the finished product looks like. Y'all, this is what it's looking like, and it's not even with the icing yet. So nice, golden brown. Oh, it looks so good. All right, y'all, so now that I have it like this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just put the icing on it while it's hot so it can just melt it. Oh, it's gonna taste so good. So good, look. Oh, it's so moist. Look how it just cuts, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Oh, dripping. Ooh, it's gonna be so good, y'all. I'm about to dive in, y'all. I am about to dive in. I'm about to go in. It's so good. I don't even taste it yet, and it's about to be so good. Mmm. Oh my God! It has a nice, moist And then the crust is a little crispy. Oh, this is good. Well, y'all, that wraps up another episode of Cooking with Nick. I want to thank you all so much for tuning into yet another video. And if y'all would do me a huge favor, please go ahead and hit that like button so it can truly help my channel. Comment what you want to see me cook next, make next, bake next, or if you just like this video, leave a comment, as it truly does increase my channel. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, until next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.